Have you not heard the phrase, clothes make the man? That's not true. The man is more important than the clothes. Number 2, in verse 26, God takes care of the birds, he says, and we are more important than the birds. Look at the birds of the air. They don't sow, they don't reap, nor reap or gather into barns, and yet their heavenly Father feeds them. Are you not more important than the birds? When we look at the birds, we don't see any laziness. They dig their worms, they snatch their bugs and pad their nests with twigs and leaves. They work every day, yet Jesus said God feeds them. The birds do not hoard things as if God were going to be absent tomorrow. They live each day knowing that God will provide what they need. The difference between humans and birds is that we have the capacity to exercise our free will, to exercise faith. God values the exercise of faith more than he values the birds. But we need to take their example and not be anxious, but continue to trust God that God will give us the strength we need to do what we need.